What is rainbow? How it is formed? When it is formed? These are all the questions we wonder about sometimes in our life. Rainbows are not only a beautiful natural phenomenon but also an emotion linked with us, the awe, which means feeling grateful when we look at it. Let's start with the definition. Rainbow is a projection of dispersion of sunlight due to the rainwater in our atmosphere. But what is dispersion of light? When light travels through the prism, the different color corresponds to the different wavelength get separated. Because when a light of different wavelengths passes through a optically dense material, such as water and glass, the longer wavelength bend the least and the shorter wavelength bend the most, resulting in a separation of visible spectrum. This phenomena is known as dispersion of light. Rainbow is a phenomena of combined effect of dispersion, reflection and diffraction of sunlight through spherical water droplets of rain. We can see the rainbow only when the sun is near western horizon while it is raining in the opposite, that is eastern horizon, and the observer should be in between facing the eastern part of the sky. Now let's see how it is formed. When the sunlight passes through the water droplet, it starts dispersing inside. Then it gets internally reflected at its surface and emerges out by undergoing refraction again. Similar process occurs in other droplets. The emergent rays are intensively visible when the angle between the sun and the emergent rays are from 40 for violet to 42 for red and others in between. Here, let's focus on the red end and the violet end. Let's assume this is an observer, this is a drop 1 and this is drop 2. Here, the red end is visible from drop 1 and the violet end is visible from drop 2 and rest of the other colors visible in between them. Thus, the observer can see the rainbow with red color on the top and the violet at the bottom. But again the question is why the rainbow is always in a curved shape. Let's understand this by help of a cone. Let's consider the observer is at the tip of the cone. The center axis of the cone is parallel reference of the sunlight and the base of the cone is the raining area. We clearly know for a visible rainbow, the angle between the sun and the emergent ray should be around 40 to 42 degrees. In a cone, at any point, the angle between the curved surface and the center of axis is always constant. For this reason, the rainbow is always circular, but we can possibly see an arc of a circle of a rainbow. Do you understood this completely? If you have any doubts, please comment down below. I will try to answer it. Keep learning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and hit the like button.